how to create Microsoft account on your phone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go at it through quick and easy on how you can create Microsoft account on phone. Well, the process is simple. Be it on iPhone or Android or any other phones, you can simply head into your browser and you can head into Microsoft.com, right? You can head into Microsoft.com here. So let me show you. And then you can tap on here. Now I'm on Outlook. Let me head just into Microsoft.com. So once you're here, you'll get the lock profile icon here at the top. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you want to enter in here, tap on create an account. Once you tap on create an account, now you can proceed to enter in your email address, tap on next, enter in other credentials such as name and address, and then other details that it'll ask you to, and it shall send you a verification code to your email account that you choose to create your account with. And that way you can create your Microsoft account easily through phone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.